Hi, welcome to the Sixer class student app. This is what the student will see once they get access to the app. So they can go ahead and pay fees. So I can click on pay now, and then the fees can be collected. The student can make a fee payment. So either via credit card, UPI, net banking, wallet, whatever they can make the fee, and the fee due is 10,000. So this is how the student makes the payment. Once the payment is done, they get access to the course and both the coursework as well as assessments. So if there are any tests that the student has to take, this is how they'll see the test. They can click on start exam and then take the test, or they can also go through and all the coursework. So here they can see the coursework. I can click on, I can watch a video, I can go through all the videos that are there.
Alright, hi everyone and welcome to...
I can also go through any material that I have added, so they can go through, read any pages that are there. They can also take a test. So this is a practice test. So you have both practice tests as well as assessments. So here they can take a practice test. So they can submit the answers and then they can go from one question to another. They can also move from one section to another section. So if I want to answer the linear equations, I can go to that particular section and answer it. So I can actually go ahead and do that. And then once I am done, I can submit my test. So I can submit it. And here I can either view answers and then I can go through it. If the app allows, if you want to give them a retake, you can configure it on the web and then the student can also retake the exam. Apart from this, we also have announcements. So if there is announcements and discussion, so if there is any announcements, the student will see the announcement here. They will get a notification via this bell icon. Or if there is any discussion that they would like to start, they can also give a post which the faculty can then see and respond back. Apart from this, there is also the assessment bit. Here the student can go ahead and take an assessment. So here they can take an exam. So this is for a particular exam. It's a timed exam. So it says this is available for 30 minutes. So the timer has started. So here they can go ahead and take this exam based on the time. They can also add, if there is a place where they have to write something and upload, you can even give them that option. So it is a question and then they can upload any responses that they have. Here if there is a match the following, you can go ahead and do this. And then I can rearrange the ones. So if I want to move this here, I can rearrange it. There are different types of questions and then I can submit. So this is what a student can do via the Sixer app.